I wish someone would cause some trouble.
No way it's right. I'm hungry already. Hey!
How did Washington cause a big
Freaking winter. The only reason it gets cold is so that we spend less.
I've got
Yeah.
a
Your humility is a crutch.
It's over.
I heard John was all worked up about the
I gotta go talk to Mr. Andrew. Hello, miss.
Oh, there you are, Jimmy. I'll make this quick. Your mom has sent you a Christmas present.
Just great.
I know. You are very lucky your mom is so nice. You may go now. He's so strong, so
I wonder,
commanding,
did Artie receive my
so
application?
brilliant.
High time!
I got plenty more where this
I
came
just don't
from.
understand the
Just
minds of
die of embarrassment.
Why do you dress like that? You look so mean in that. Even a nerd would know.
Bye! Later. I'll get you, mayo stain!
Excuse me.
I'm gonna tell someone you did that.
Get out of here, Your mom interested in it?
Your attention. Anyone found attempting to turn Academy.
I got a job to do, kid. It itches like crazy. Aren't you supposed to be in school?
It's obvious from all this.
Holy simoleon! I once laid bear traps in the school exercise yard. Never got caught.
Take it easy, boss.
Got a jet. See ya.
Looks like we're going.
Another one for the collection.
I see the art of rookie is alive and well and forward.
You are an awful person!
I fought the great wars. Kidding me? It's you're gonna cry, ain't you? Whim!
Hey, kid. You got a light?
No.
Okay, well, then you want to sit on my knee?
You want a kick in the balls?
I'm sorry, kid. I'm just a little down on my luck. I mean, 1 year I'm living in Greenland with a posse of elves and some talking reindeer. And the next, I'm getting treated like a drunken fool, thrown out of the North Pole and put to work in a dump of a town like this.
Okay, man, now you're kind of creeping me out.
Why does everyone say that to me?
Whoa, I can't imagine.
I mean, the other kids was just abusing me, calling me a pervert, throwing snowballs at me. You're just like him, little red-haired bully.
Hold on. Which kids?
Those ones over there. The tough kids, damn it. Not the rich kids from fancy schools like you. The molly-coddled mommy's boys like you.
Yeah, that's me.
They keep attacking me, man. I can't take it no more. What happens to the old days? I miss Prancer.
Oh, what?
He was always my favorite. Not Rudolph.
No.
He was a prima donna.
Oh.
I'm falling apart here.
Hey, listen, man. Where are these kids?
Over there somewhere. Those punks scooped my change cup and ran away. Hogan, go! Keep it up! You've got him! Not bad, but I want to see some tears. You got him! Yeah! Nice move. Not bad, but I want to see some tears. Hogan, good! Keep it up!
So the economy's picking up, huh? Well, don't put the cart before the horse, I say.
That'll learn him! Toss a few fresh ones at those morons! Don't they know it's too cold for riding bikes? Hey!
Whoa, hey, easy.
Thanks, man. You're all right. Oh,
Oh, whoa! Well, good luck with those reindeer, you maniac. I should give lessons!
You're pathetic.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins. What's the deal, Pinwheel?
Hey, I got a job for you. My old lady is cheating on me.
Why not?
Can you get me some pics so she won't take half when I divorce her?
This is what you get, man.
Take
You
my
know better.
medication.
Hey, why do you keep falling down? I could use a little something to knock you off.
Peter, get to school. Playing hooky every now and again is okay. This is getting old.
Wrong time of the month, idiot. I'll pretend you're my cheating ex.
3 years as an ace. And now I'm stuck.
I know I always talk about my crazy.
This what you're looking for?
Thanks, kid. You're all right.
I know your pain.
Shouldn't you be in class? You're full of it.
I'd watch out if I were you.
My word.
Got some extra
Let's do
coins? Thank you!
Nice,
Thank
huh?
you!
What do you think?
Thanks for the help, kid!
I threw the pillow at him and I told him.
Welcome for your...
What's going on, sir?
It's a club meeting. It's downstairs. Go ahead.
Thanks. I might check it out.
No! You can't use diplomacy to make the elf princess do that!
Of course I can.
You guys having fun?
What are you doing here? You can't join our party. Give him a chance. Let him join if he can beat Fatty's Consumo high score.
Why not? I can always use this place to crash.
Don't you be fronting, yo! Oh wow, that's super totally awesome!
Stop! You'll make me puke!
Wait!
You're so cool! Whoa, super cool! You're so cool!
That was easy.
I always said I'd give my bottle rocket launcher to whoever beat Fatty's high score! Here, take it!
I'm the best! There was never any
Do you ever
doubt.
play Grottos and Gremlins? It's really keen. You can like totally be a
Score.
cool hero who kicks ass and stuff. Greetings, friend. Salutation.
Hear about the canceled Christmas parade?
Nah.
Let's have some fun with these water balloons. See how many people you can hit with them, okay?
You get lightheaded when you stand up really quickly?
Now you're asking the kind of questions I like. Sure I have. I think tonight me and my friend Jim are gonna be hitting up the bar scene.
That is wonderful, really. Au revoir.
Now, tell me why you're trying to go the good route. No one else does. And you can't get nowhere when no one's playing by the rules. Give up now, and I promise I'll only throw you a mile meter. I'll get you going down. Stop that.
Woolworth sucks! If only I didn't have to go to school. You can't outrun the law! There's no such thing as a minor crime. Give up now, and I promise I'll only throw you a mild beating. I can never remember. Is a 1062 beating or beating a civilian?
The world is
Smart, beautiful women are often stuck with spineless men.
everything is ruled by politics.
I'm really not funny.
Do you know how useless you are?
I'm the president just to talk to Dr. Crabsnitch.
Why are boys so confusing?
That felt funny.
Russell loves to smash things!
I suppose you want to train again? Thanks, kid. Okay, now let's train. It's all about really hurting your opponent. Yeah, looks like... If you want to make... Come on! Good work. Now go out there and kick some ass. I'll slit your damn throat! Don't forget to bring me a transistor when you come back.
Nice work, Jimmy.
Good to see you haven't forgotten me. I was just looking for one of those. There's a special way to grab someone's head. Put a little heart into it. Yeah! You'd never have made it on the ridge. Alright, come back sometime, but not too early. I gotta go mess with my project. Take this.
I always knew I could do it.
Dr. Crabblesnitch is like a brother to this kid. What was
I could use a hand with this.
Could you find my dog for me? Cheers!
I love my children. Their happiness is my happiness.
Hey, puppy.
What if there's another prohibition? What?
Thanks a lot, Jimmy.
I'm gonna cut my toenail. Later, they wouldn't hire me on as a Santa. I'd be a great Santa. Just look at this beard. Hey, you little thief! Ah, my asthma!
Sir, are you okay?
I just got robbed by a dorky kid and I'm having an asthma attack. Of course I'm not okay. Hey, I'll tell you what. I'll give you $5 and some comics if you help me get my stuff back from that punk.
You got a deal.
I want to kill you. I should have guessed that would happen to me.
Are you gonna cry now? Bite me!
Typical. My bike's probably broken as well.
Hey! Get off my friend!
I think I'll keep this. I don't really need comics. Just give me the money.
All right. Kids these days.
I should teach lessons or something.